Henkel traffic, this is Blue S1 taking off from Henkel, heading back to Reykjavik.
What is the flight time roughly on the getting back to
To Reykjavik? 15 minutes more or less.
Okay, I've got 40 minutes recording time, you see.
Okay,
Cool. Thank you.
no problem. So what's going to come up on our left side very soon is the geothermal power plant that I was talking about. They run gas turbines with the hot steam coming out from the surface, and that's one of the electricity supplies for Reykjavik.
Okay.
Right there.
Wow.
And Henkel area traffic, Blue S1 leaving Henkel into the east practice area and then to Reykjavik.